Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to set up theft detection lock on Android 15 and stop iPhone thieves. So step 1, that would be update your Android 15. Ensure your phone is running to Android 15. That is going to be the software or OS of your phone or device. Go to settings, system, and software update. Now once you're here, tap download and install if an update is available. That's going to be step 1. Step 2 is access security settings by going to settings right there. Scroll down and tap security and security or privacy. Now for step 3, enable theft detection lock. There is going to be an installed application for this one or installed feature for OS that's going to be Android 15 and above. Moving forward, if you toggle this one, toggle the switch, enable the feature, and basically configure detection behavior. This means you can select what phone should do when left on theft is detected. So auto lock, disable notifications, and hide sensitive content. You will be able to choose to automatically log out of accounts or start location trafficking. Now enable Find My Device. Ensure Find My Device is turned on by going to Settings, Security, and Find My Device. This allows you to locate, lock, or erase your phone remotely if it's stolen. This is actually really good. Now enable Screen Lock. For this one, you need to have a strong screen lock made by a PIN, pattern, or password. Do this one via Settings, Security, and Screen Lock. Biometric options such as fingerprint or face unlock can also be enabled for added security. Now step 7, set up lockdown mode. This is actually optional. So go to settings, display lock screen and secure lock settings. Enable show lockdown option to quickly disable biometrics and notifications from the power menu in case of emergencies. Now for step 8, test the feature. You need to simulate a theft-like notification or motion, quick movement or sudden disconnection to check if the theft detection lock activates. You need to test your security for this one. Make sure your phone responds by locking or hiding content. And stay informed. Check for new updates for Android 15 that may enhance theft detection lock. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.